Hey guys, welcome back. It's Wednesday. The week is going fast, I can tell you that. Especially after Monday, we had the MOF, the Bank of Japan, the Monetary Official Fund, doing a little bit of a manipulation on the market, as they like to call the intervention. Well, intervention is just a better word for manipulating a currency to be stronger, or sometimes it can be weaker as well. Just depends on how the scenario is. But yeah, and then on Tuesday we had the webinar just yesterday. So if you haven't participated on the webinar, you're more than welcome to go to the YouTube channel just here. And as you dare, subscribe to the channel and put the bell to ring at all notifications, so then you don't lose any of the videos we post, nothing. All the good content we're pumping in. Yesterday I received a message that made me very happy. One of the guys telling that the content that we publish on the ACY website as well daily, where these are the market research that goes to your email. I'm quite sure if you are a client with us, even if you have a demo account, so test it out, test it out, or demos account, and then you will start to receiving those types of email. Just open the account on the ACY website, and then you will daily get those market recaps, market research papers built by me and the other analysts here at ACY. Now, so if you haven't watched it, tomorrow, yesterday webinar, you will be definitely able to watch the replay on the YouTube channel. Just go ACY Securities YouTube channel. Okay. Today is Wednesday, and in Australia is Wednesday, but in the rest of the world still Tuesday night, going to Wednesday, or Wednesday morning, like midnight, 2 a.m. or something. So it will be very calm, I would say, Europe session today, okay? Why? Because I'm just looking at here, and look how many holidays. Look at how many countries are on holidays. Look at that. So it's quite a fair bit countries on the Labor Day holiday. Therefore, they won't be trading. There won't be much liquidity. The banks will be off. The big pension funds will be off from the market, and therefore it won't be too much volatility, too much momentum. But except for US, all right, because US is not on the list for the Labor Day, and therefore we will get the ADP non-farm employment change, as well as the manufacturing PMI, the ADP being at 10:15 p.m. tonight at Sydney time, Australia time, and 11:45 the manufacturing PMI for US as well. Okay, let's get the numbers right here. Before we do, I have some news from the Asia, Oceania, session that we had from Australia and New Zealand. So the New Zealand unemployment rate came as expected, but higher than the previous Q1, okay? So the previous was 4%, consensus was 4.3 and came in at 4.3, so as expected, but still higher than the previous, okay? So this is not good. Unemployment change came in at below, all right, higher, it means higher than the consensus, and higher than the previous as well. So the previous was 0.4%, consensus was 0.3%, and the actual came in negative 0.2%. So it means that it went from 0.4 to 0.3, and then the 0.3 went to negative 0.2. So that's really, really not good for the New Zealand dollar. High unemployment rate, high employment change, low employment change, so people are not getting employed, people are not getting new jobs. This is really, really not great, and this is why I'm still maintaining short positions on the New Zealand dollar. After that, we had the manufacturing PMI for Australia coming a little bit below the expected. Previous was 47.3, the consensus was 49.9, and the actual came in at 49.6. Okay, So there was a little bit of a change on the consensus for the actual 0.3%. Sorry, 0.3, yeah, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 0.3 lower than expected. Okay, this does make Australia dollar weaker. Okay, it shows to us that the manufacturing is not growing, so people are not manufacturing because mostly it will come that we are not having a good employment as well. So low employment means low manufacturing, and that means low retail sales. Okay. Then tonight, as I've mentioned, 10:15, we will have the ADP non-farm employment change. It's just a prior to Friday. So the previous was 184,000. The consensus was 179,000, and the actual we will be looking tonight. And the manufacturing PMI is expected to decline on US from the previous of 51.9, and the consensus was at 49.9. So we are expecting a decline already on US manufacturing PMIs. All right, guys, so this is all we're gonna get today, but still, we did had some big moves on gold yesterday as well as on euro dollar dropping. Okay, gold dropping, euro dollar dropping as well, US dollar getting stronger. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see how the FOMC will be tomorrow morning and how the NFP will be on Friday night. Okay, so if you haven't participated yesterday from the webinar, we will get another one tomorrow, 7 to 8 p.m. on Australia time. So I do wait for you on there. Okay, easy to register. You just go to the link in the description. It will guide you to the website. You wait a few minutes there, you wait a few seconds there, because sometimes there's so much people using the website that it gets a little bit slow. So then just wait, be patient, and then register to Lucas Santos webinar on Thursday. Okay, put your email there, your name, then we will send you the link on your email to the Zoom meeting link. Okay. And besides from that, guys, I hope everyone is having a good day. And as well, join the Telegram. So if you're not on the Telegram yet, please do it. Just at the description of the video, I post daily content, daily analysis, as well as I've just posted my USD JPY position. So if you want to see my USD JPY position, is still time. You can just click at the description and you will be in there. Okay, guys, have all a great week, rest of the week, and I see you tomorrow in the video as well as tomorrow on the webinar. Have all a good one, and I see you. Bye bye.